and welcome to G-Lite Concept. So today I'm going to teach you how to use a scatter effect in CorelDRAW. So to do that, let's pick our rectangle tool and let's draw something here, something like this. Yeah, this is okay. So let's give it black color and let's go to Effects and we'll go to Creative. Then let's select Scatter and here you go. So this is scatter effect. You can just use this here, come down. You can reduce this or add it to show more of the effect or less or minima, just anyhow you want it to show. But for me, this is very, very okay for me. So now let's add some transformation. Let's pick the interactive view tool. Yeah, and let's just draw something here. Let's give it another color at the other end. Let's say this. And boom, that's what we have here. So you can just adjust it anyhow you want and use it anywhere you want to use on your design. That's how you can use the scatter effect. Thank you.